Hello students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to explain you the poem A Song of Radha, the Milkmaid. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 1st, English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. This is my fourth video lecture on this topic. Today's topic is the explanation of the poem A Song of Radha, the Milkmaid. So students, first of all, I read the stanza for you. I carried the pots to the Mathura tide. How gaily the rowers were rowing. My comrades called, "Ho, let us dance, let us sing, and wear saffron garments to welcome the spring, and pluck the new buds that are blowing." But my heart was so full of your music, beloved. They mocked when I cried without knowing, "Govinda, Govinda, Govinda, Govinda," how gaily the river was flowing. Tide means rise and fall of river water. Rowers means the sailors or boatmen. Gaily means happily or joyfully. Comrades means companions or friends of Radha. Saffron means orange color. Garments means clothes. Buds means unbloomed flowers. Blowing means blooming. And mocked means laughed at. Now I explain you the reference with context of this stanza. These lines occur in the famous poem Song of Radha, the Milkmaid, composed by Sarojini Naidu, who is popularly known as Bharat Kokila. She wrote many lyrics on the eternal love of Radha and Krishna. The poem is based on Radha's deep love for Lord Krishna, whose music has enchanted her soul and she has forgotten everything. Now I explain you the poem. I carried my pots to the Mathura tide. I stands for Radha. Radha carries her pitcher or pots to Mathura tide, means to Mathura river Yamuna, to fetch the water from there. How gaily the rowers were rowing. At that time, the boatsmen or sailors were happily rowing their boats in Mathura river, Yamuna. My comrades called, then the friends and companions of Radha, see Radha, and they called out and suggested they give the proposal to Radha that they should dance and sing the songs and wear the saffron garments, orange color garments, to welcome the spring season. And they also proposed to pluck the new flowers which are not fully bloomed. These are the methods to show their happiness at the arrival of spring season. But the heart of Radha was full of the music of Lord Krishna. So, instead of replying her friends, she cried out, Govinda, Govinda, and they mocked means, and the friends of Radha laughed at when they hear these words from the mouth of Radha. How gaily the river was flowing. At that time, the river Yamuna was flowing happily and joyfully. Radha is charmed by the music of Lord Krishna. In another poem, the flute player of Vrindavan, Sarojini Naidu describes a man who is so delighted with the flute player's music that he is prepared to leave his home and all other interests in life. He is ready undergo any hardship as long as he can go on listening to the music. Radha's friends are singing and dancing in the spring season. This is the usual thing in Bridge area. The short questions which can be put up in this stanza are: where did Radha carry her pots? The answer is Radha carried her pots to the Mathura river Yamuna. Next question is, why did the Radha carry her pots to Mathura tide? And the answer is, she wanted to fetch the water from the Mathura river. Next question is, what did Radha's comrades call? Answer is, Radha's comrades called that they should dance and sing. They should wear saffron garments to welcome the spring. What did Radha cry? Radha cried, Govinda, Govinda. Why did Radha cry Govinda, Govinda? Radha cried Govinda, Govinda because her heart was full of the music of Lord Krishna. What were the sailors do at that time? The sailors were rowing their boats in Yamuna river happily and joyfully. What is the reaction of the river Yamuna? Yamuna is also flowing joyfully and happily. So the poem deals with the Radha's conscious self and the unconscious self. So students, I have explained you the second stanza of the poem, A Song of Radha the Milkmaid. In the first stanza, it was the morning time. In this stanza, it was the noon time. In the first stanza, the young cows were lowing softly and gently. In the second stanza, the rowers were happily rowing their boats. In the first stanza, Radha wanted to cry, who will buy the curds that are white as the clouds in the sky when the breezes of Shravan are blowing? Here the month is discussed. The month is Shravan. But in the second stanza, there is the description of spring season, and the friends of Radha wants to welcome the spring season with dancing, singing, and wearing the saffron garments and plucking the new buds that blow or bloom in this season. In the first stanza, the heart of Radha was full of the beauty of Lord Krishna. In the second stanza, her heart is full of the beauty, the music of Lord Krishna. In the first stanza, the people laughed at hearing the words Govinda, Govinda from the mouth of Radha, where in the second stanza the friends of Radha laughed at Radha on hearing these words. In the first stanza, the river Yamuna was flowing softly and gently, while in this stanza, the river Yamuna was flowing happily and joyfully. So, students, I have explained you the two stanzas of the poem A Song of Radha, the Milkmaid, and I also make a comparison between the two stanzas. The last stanza will be discussed and explained in the next video lecture. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.